Welcome back, beautiful, beloved souls. My name is Jem. Now, as you know, I've already uploaded what I've channeled, but today we're going to look at it from a different perspective. So, welcome to my video. Because it's the new month, I've got my credits back so I can make some more PowerPoints. So this PowerPoint is Comets, Messengers of the Cosmos, the mystery of Three Eye Atlas. Now before we get into it, please excuse my pronunciation, especially when it comes to Oumuamua. I will be saying these syllables out. You'll have to excuse me. All right, let's get into it. So, throughout history, comets have fascinated people. They've been seen as omens, messengers from the gods, and even signs of disaster. Today, we're looking at one in particular, Three Eye Atlas, a brand new interstellar comet that has scientists scratching their heads and metaphysical researchers like me asking deeper questions. Comets are icy visitors from the far reaches of space. They've been appearing in our skies for as long as humans have looked up. Some cultures feared them, others worshipped them. But every generation seems to give them meaning. In this talk, I want to explore what science says about comets, what's unusual about Three Eye Atlas, and also share some of my own psychic impressions. Comets 101. Let's start with the basics. A comet has three main parts. The core, which is basically a dirty snowball made of ice and rock. The corona, a glowing cloud that forms when the comet warms up, and the tail, which always points away from the sun, pushed back by solar winds and radiation. Usually, comets travel at tens of thousands of miles per hour, swinging around the sun in predictable arcs. Famous historical comets. Some comets are unforgettable. Halley's Comet is the most famous because it returns every 76 years. Hale-Bopp in 1997 was visible for over a year and became a worldwide event. And if we go back further, ancient Chinese and Babylonian records describe comets as fiery dragons or omens of great change. Clearly, comets have always captured human imagination. interstellar visits. Until recently, we thought comets only came from our solar system, but in 2017, Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar object. It was oddly shaped, cigar-like, and accelerated in a way scientists still can't fully explain. Then, in 2019, 2L/Borisov arrived, a more typical comet, but still from beyond our solar system. These discoveries proved that material from other star systems does cross our path. Introducing 3I Atlas. Now, in 2024, astronomers discovered 3I Atlas, only the third interstellar visitor in recorded history. What makes it remarkable is its extreme speed. Some estimates suggesting it's moving around 130,000 miles per minute. That's unimaginably fast. But speed isn't the only strange thing about Atlas, 3I Atlas. So, what's weird about 3I Atlas? Here is where it gets unusual. A comet's tail points away from the sun, but with 3I Atlas, the tail appears to point towards the sun instead. Some astronomers have suggested outgassing or magnetic effects might explain it, but others, like Professor Avi Loeb from Harvard, have said we should keep an open mind. It might even be an artificial object, maybe a probe or spacecraft. Science versus speculation. So, is 3I Atlas just a comet behaving strangely? Or is it something else? Science leans towards unusual physics, but speculation leans towards the possibility of alien technology. Both sides are fascinating. Either way, this comet is making us question what we know about the universe. Metaphysical intuitive impressions. I've done 3 channelings since August 19th, and each time the message has been the same. This is not just a comet. I was shown reptilian scientists aboard the object, observing and studying. I uploaded this on the 19th of August. Then, 2 weeks ago, a YouTube metaphysical channel with trained remote viewers reported a similar impression, a ship with reptilians. That kind of overlap makes me pay attention. So, remote viewing versus channeling. I want to be fair here. Remote viewers and channelers approach this very differently. Remote viewing uses strict protocols to keep the mind detached and neutral. Channeling, like I do, means opening yourself to outside entities, which some say is riskier. For example, John from that YouTube channel strongly warns against channeling because he's seen friends lose their stability doing it. So I'm very aware of the balance between seeking truth and protecting one's mind. In fact, when I do automatic writing, I say, "Spirits of love and light, protect me as I write." Why November matters. My guides have suggested I revisit the comet in November. That timing may be important because by then astronomers will also have more data and will know if the comet is behaving even more unusually. So for now, I'm watching closely, and I invite you to stay open-minded with me, whether through science or intuition. We may discover more about Three-Eye Atlas, what it really is. Comets have always been mysterious. Science has explained much, but sometimes the universe gives us objects like Oumuamua. Sorry, I have to pronounce the syllables. I have trouble with pronunciation, I'm sorry. But Oumuamua and Three-Eye Atlas that resist easy answers. To me, they are invitations to stay curious, stay humble, and perhaps expand what we believe is possible. As Neil deGrasse Tyson once said, the universe is under no obligation to make sense to us. Thank you very much for watching, and I'd love to read your thoughts in the comments. What do you think Three-Eye Atlas is? Do you think it is a comet? Do you think it's a probe? Or, like I've channeled, a mother ship full of reptilian scientists? And I just want to end this by letting you know that I've done 3 readings. The first was August 19th, when I did a little bit of it. Then I did a second reading, and then yesterday I did all the readings together. The fact that a certain metaphysical channel on YouTube a couple of weeks after I had uploaded my video of channeling has said that they're reptilians. Thank you. I feel that validated, and I always protect myself. I have learnt that that's another time, another lesson we will talk about. And I want to say I'm sorry at the moment. I've got a sore throat and my back is killing me with pain. But I appreciate the views. Please take care of each other and of yourselves. And you have to live in the moment and cherish it. Love, light, and blessings. Thanks for watching. Bye.